Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And this week, because the 17th is St. Patrick's Day, I thought I would do a rainbow spread. And I don't normally do rainbow that often, but I thought instead of doing like your typical 4-leaf clover type, I'm going to be using my rainbow leaves from my newest release. So those are the rainbow leaves, which I felt like we're just so out of my comfort zone, but I love like the little shadow detailing here, and then it's like this whole, oh, I'm so excited to put that down there. And then the rainbow leaves circles, the quote, and the swatches. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using both of these pens this week. This is my Lamy All-Star, and it currently has Sailor Manyo Nekoyanagi in it, and then my Esterbrook JR in Fantasia, and this has Colorverse Alpha CMA in it. So I'm gonna do the purple on the days of the week here. So I'm like, there we go. You know, doing days of the week backwards really screws with your head. And Wednesday. I could, oh, I wrote Wednesday, Monday, save that. I could have done it with a Tombow Duo Brush pens, but I thought, well, let's go with my fountain pens. So I'm gonna take this bottom sticker, and this is actually all of these leaves in one. So you do have to be very careful about how you peel it up, because you want to be, oh my gosh, I don't want to tear anything, because there's all those little details from all the leaves, but it's basically one big sticker. Oh, I'm so excited, but I don't want to tear it. Okay, and then the final red one that kind of looks like a DNA molecule rather than a leaf. So I'm going to place this right here at the very bottom. I'm not even going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page. I'm just going to go all the way down to the bottom of the grid. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, I love that. Okay. So then I'm going to put down, like, I'm not going to put any other decoration on that page because I think it's awesome, if I do say so myself. But I'm going to put an arrow all the way down this way, because I separate my spread with the meetings that I have and then my to-do list in this small box here. So then what I'm gonna do, I mean, I could certainly just do a quote. I don't know, but I kind of want to use one of these with this washi. So let's do this. I thought grid washi would be just a good selection, I guess, to go with any of the circles or any of the colors here. Which one? No, I'm going to go with this big purple with the orange. Oh, how fun is that? And then I'm going to take one of the smaller blue ones, because I love the little yellow florals in that one. Oh, love it. And then I'm going to put probably one more thing just up in the corner here to balance it out. Or do I want to? Do I just want to leave it like that? I've literally used 3 stickers out of this whole collection just for this. What I think I'm going to do actually is write out meetings and to-dos up at the top here. And then I'll end up using one of the paint swatches to go over it, because I think the paint swatches are a fantastic way, if I do say so myself, to be able to get like the highlighter look without needing the exact Tombow Duo brush pen. So get the red to go on top of meetings. Awesome. And then let's do the green. I love green. Perfect. And then I'm actually going to just write notes up here at the top as well. And then cover that up with one of the paint swatches as well. So let's do blue. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. So I'm going to rotate between using these two to put down my meeting. So let's go ahead and zoom in for that. And there's the overall finished spread. I'm in love with this sticker. Absolutely love it. And it fit perfectly in the Hobonichi weeks. And I'm gonna love using these two pens this week for the different colors. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this collection is available in my shop, and until the end of the day today, March 13th, you can use code MARCH15 for 15% off your order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.